Mina wakes up early in the morning. It is Monday. The sun is not high in the sky yet. She opens her eyes slowly and looks at the clock on her table. The clock says 6:30 a.m. Mina does not want to sleep more. She sits up in her warm bed. She stretches her arms high above her head. She feels a little sleepy, but she smiles. She likes Mondays. Today is a work day. Mina has a good job in an office. She gets out of bed and walks to the bathroom. She washes her face with cold water. The cold water feels fresh. It wakes her up. She brushes her teeth slowly. She looks at herself in the mirror and smiles. After that, Mina goes to the kitchen. The kitchen is small but very clean. She makes a simple breakfast. She puts one slice of bread in the toaster. She makes a cup of tea. She likes green tea. The tea is warm and nice. While she eats her toast, Mina checks her phone. She sees a new message. It is from her manager, Mr. Brown. The message says, "Good morning, Mina. Please come on time today. We have a very important meeting at 8:30 a.m. Mina nods her head. She says softly, "Okay, I will be on time. I will be early." She finishes her breakfast quickly now. She washes her cup. She washes her plate. She wants her kitchen to be tidy. Then she goes back to her bedroom. Mina chooses her clothes carefully. She wants to look professional for the meeting. She wears a blue shirt and black pants. The blue shirt is her favorite. She puts on comfortable black shoes. She looks in the mirror one more time. She looks neat. She looks ready for work. She picks up her bag. She checks the things inside. Phone? Yes. Keys? Yes. Wallet? Yes. Notebook? Yes. Mina is ready. She opens the door and steps outside. The morning air is cool and fresh. The sky is a beautiful light blue. The sun is rising slowly over the buildings. Mina walks down the street. She hears birds singing in the trees. She sees other people too. Some people are walking to work. Some people are jogging in the park. Some people are drinking coffee in their cars. Mina walks for 5 minutes. Soon she arrives at the bus stop. The bus stop is not very big. There is a wooden bench and a metal sign. The sign shows the bus numbers and the times. Mina looks at the sign. She waits for bus number 12. This bus goes exactly to her office building. She checks the time on her phone. It is 7:10 a.m. The bus usually comes at 7:20 a.m. Mina has 10 minutes. She sits on the bench. She puts her bag next to her. She waits quietly. She watches the cars drive by. After a few minutes, another woman comes to the bus stop. The woman is wearing a red coat. She smiles at Mina. "Good morning," the woman says. "Good morning," Mina replies with a smile. They stand together at the stop. They do not talk much because it is early. They just wait. Soon, a man arrives, then another woman. Now there are 5 people at the bus stop. Everyone looks down the road. Everyone is waiting for the bus. Suddenly, Mina hears a loud sound. It is the sound of a bus engine. Mina looks down the road. She sees a big bus. She smiles. But the bus does not stop. It passes by. It is bus number 8, not number 12. "Oh," Mina says softly. She feels a little disappointed. She checks the time again. It is 7:18 a.m. She feels a little worried now. She remembers the message from Mr. Brown. The meeting is very important. "I hope the bus comes soon," she thinks. The minutes feel very long when you are waiting. Mina looks at the sky, she looks at the road. At 7:25 a.m., the bus is still not there. Mina feels nervous. Her heart beats a little faster. She takes a deep breath. "Stay calm, Mina," she says to herself. "The bus will come." Suddenly, she sees a big blue shape in the distance. It is moving toward her. It is the number 12 bus. "Yes, that's my bus," Mina says happily. The bus stops. The brakes make a loud sound. The doors open. People get on the bus one by one. Mina steps forward. She shows her bus card to the machine. The driver nods at her. "Good morning," the driver says. "Good morning," Mina replies. Mina walks inside the bus. She looks for a seat. The bus is very busy today. Many people are standing and holding the rails. Mina finds one empty seat near the window. She sits down. She puts her bag on her lap. She feels relieved. The bus starts moving again. Outside the window, Mina sees the city. She sees shops opening. She sees houses and trees. The city is very busy now. Mina listens to the sounds. She hears people talking quietly about their plans. She hears the engine of the bus. Mina thinks about her day. She thinks about her work tasks. She thinks about the meeting. "I need to do my best today. I want to be a good worker," she thinks. After 15 minutes, the bus slows down. Mina looks at the road signs. She knows this place. "This is my stop," she thinks. She stands up and walks to the door. "Thank you," she says to the driver. "You're welcome. Have a nice day," the driver replies. Mina steps off the bus. The sun is higher now. It is warm. She looks at her phone. It is 7:50 a.m. She has 40 minutes before her meeting. She smiles a big smile. "I am on time. I am actually early," she says. She walks toward the big glass office building. She feels proud. Mina learned a lesson today. Even when things are late, staying calm is the best way. She takes a deep breath and walks through the doors. A new day is starting, and Mina is ready for success. Mina wakes up early in the morning. It is Monday. It is Monday. The sun is not high in the sky yet. The sun is not high in the sky yet. She opens her eyes slowly. She opens her eyes slowly. She looks at the clock on her table. She looks at the clock on her table. The clock says 6:30 a.m. The clock says 6:30 a.m. Mina does not want to sleep more. Mina does not want to sleep more. She sits up in her warm bed. She sits up in her warm bed. She stretches her arms high. She stretches her arms high. She feels a little sleepy, but she smiles. She feels a little sleepy, but she smiles. She likes Mondays. She likes Mondays. Today is a work day. Today is a work day. Mina has a good job in an office. Mina has a good job in an office. She gets out of bed. She gets out of bed. She walks to the bathroom. She walks to the bathroom. She washes her face with cold water. She washes her face with cold water. The cold water feels fresh. The cold water feels fresh. It wakes her up. It wakes her up. She brushes her teeth slowly. She brushes her teeth slowly. She looks at herself in the mirror. She looks at herself in the mirror. After that, Mina goes to the kitchen. After that, Mina goes to the kitchen. The kitchen is small, but very clean. The kitchen is small, but very clean. She makes a simple breakfast. She makes a simple breakfast. She eats one slice of bread. The morning air is cool and fresh. The sky is light blue. The sun is rising slowly. Mina walks down the street. She hears birds singing. She sees people walking to work. Some people are jogging. Some people are drinking coffee. Soon, she arrives at the bus stop. The bus stop is not very big. There's a bench and a sign. Mina looks at the sign. She waits for bus number 12. She checks the time. It is 7:10 a.m. The bus comes at 7:20 a.m. Mina sits on the bench. She waits quietly. Another woman comes to the stop. The woman smiles at Mina. "Good morning," the woman says. "Good morning," Mina replies. Now there are 5 people. Everyone is waiting for the bus. Everyone is waiting for the bus. Suddenly, Mina hears a sound. It is a bus engine, but the bus passes by. It is the wrong bus. "Oh," Mina says softly. She checks the time again. It is 7:18 a.m. She feels a little worried. She wants to be on time. At 7:25 a.m., the bus is not there. Mina feels nervous. She takes a deep breath. "Stay calm," she says. Suddenly, she sees her bus. It is big and blue. "Yes, that's my bus." The doors open. Mina steps forward. She shows her bus card. The driver nods. Mina walks inside. The bus is very busy. She finds a seat near the window. She finds a seat near the window. She feels relieved. She feels relieved. The bus starts moving. The bus starts moving. Mina sees shops and houses. Mina sees shops and houses. She thinks about her day. She thinks about her day. "I will do my best," she thinks. "I will do my best." The bus slows down. The bus slows down. "This is my stop. This is my stop." Mina stands up. Mina stands up. "Thank you," she says. "Thank you," she says. She steps off the bus. She steps off the bus. It is 7:50 a.m. It is 7:50 a.m. She smiles. She smiles. "I am on time. I am on time." She feels proud. She feels proud. A new day is starting. A new day is starting. And Mina is ready. And Mina is ready.